adults to learn the irregular verbs across each of the main tenses and sentences, practical sentences that go with them. Now, it's very important that I mention the dialects, because there are three main dialects of the Irish language. There's Ulster, there's Connacht, and there's Munster, and every verb in every tense will be pronounced slightly different for every dialect. In this video, we're going to look at the Munster dialect, den chuid is mó for the most part, because it's most similar to the standard Irish and chaidzan that you learn in school. However, I will deviate from this sometimes if it's quite different in Munster. And also, please be aware, if you are used to a different pronunciation or you want to check on the Ulster or the Connacht dialect in particular, then do use this resource obair.tcd.ie. This is great for whole phrases or verbs, and you can type in whatever you want and you can choose the dialect of your choice. If you don't have a choice of dialect, then Munster is most similar to An Chaidzan, the standard. However, if you're just interested in the pronunciation of a word, especially a noun, then I do suggest changlan.ie, and you can type in any word in Irish. You can click pronunciation and then you can choose the dialect of your choice and you can hear that word spoken in that dialect. However, you cannot type verbs in the different tenses into changlan.ie. You can only type in the root form of the verb. So that is why I suggest obair.tcd.ie for that, and also why I've made this video, because the pronunciation of verbs across the tenses in Irish can be tricky. Now, the layout of this video is that we're going to have our sentence and our colouring image that's in the colouring book. And then we have our verb in the positive and the negative. So the first page will always be the past, then it'll be the present of the verb, then it'll be the future of the verb. I have the English beside it, so I don't take up too much time rhyming off the English for every single person. And also in the yellow, I have the main pronunciation sound for that verb. So the main sound for that verb will be in the yellow. And if the negative is very different, then I'll also have the negative as well. So Rylin, on we go. Aber is the verb to say. Dúirt mé, dúirt tú, dúirt sé, dúirt sí. Dúir mar, dúirt sibh, dúirt siad. Ní dúirt mé, ní dúirt tú, ní dúirt sé, ní dúirt sí. Ní dúir mar, ní dúirt sibh, ní dúirt siad. Fécha dúirt sé. Look, he said. Derim, deir tú, deir sé, deir sí. Deir míd, deir sibh, deir siad. Ní derim, ní deir tú, ní deir sé, ní deir sí. Ní deir míd, ní deir sibh, ní deir siad. Ní deir sé mór an. He doesn't say much. Deir mé,